How to change Apple Music payment option. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to change the payment methods for Apple Music, here is an easy way to do so. So without any ado, let's get started. First and foremost, head over to your Apple Music. Tap on the application and then get logged in into your Apple account. After that, head over to your profile. This is on the top right corner. After tapping on it, head over to account settings. This might ask you for your Face ID or the passcode. After entering your Face ID or the passcode, you will land to another page from where you will have to select the option of Manage Payments. After tapping on Manage Payments, add payment method. Tap on it, select the credit or debit card that you want, enter your CVV number and other details. After that is done, tap on the done button or update button and you're good to go. So this is how you can change Apple Music payment method. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.